Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete Google Photos permanently in one click. First, open the Google Photos app on your mobile device. Next, hold down on the photos you want to delete. You can select multiple photos by continuing to hold and tap on additional photos. Then, tap on the trash can icon to delete the selected photos. A confirmation message will appear, then tap on delete. Now tap on the library icon at the bottom of the screen. In the library section, tap on bin. Here, you will see the photos you just deleted. To permanently remove them, tap on empty bin or select the photos and tap on delete forever. This step ensures that the photos are permanently removed from your mobile device. For added security, open Google Photos on a web browser on your computer. Go to the bin or trash section again and ensure all deleted photos are removed by clicking on empty bin or selecting the photos and choosing delete. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.